Alright everybody, welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel again. You probably can't see me, but I'm kinda awake. Obviously, because I'm driving. But we're flying out again at 0 dark 30. Leaving out of our local airport, Gainesville Regional Airport, to fly up to Nashville, where my truck is, to then drive to Bowling Green to pick up the trailer, to then go to LS Fest. Woo! It's LS Fest weekend again. I don't know if you can see me or not. It looks black on the screen. There's our big old airport with 4 gates. Big city we live in here. Where are you going, car? What you doing? Meow. Big city of Gainesville. We'll see you guys in Nashville, and then get ourselves off to LS Fest. Woohoo! All right, well, we are in Nashville. Hopefully, oh, I see my truck. Hopefully it's the same cars that were parked by it when we left it here.
It's hiding over there in the corner somewhere.
It's tough to find a good spot in the parking garage at the airport, but
when you're so large.
it is a very large truck.
There's my old truck. All right, she's still there.
Cool. Let's go to Holley and pick up the trailer. All right, well, we are in the back lot at Holley. Back with all of their, I don't know what all these vehicles are, but they must use them for some kind of product development. It's kind of cool. I really dig like manufacturing stuff because I used to work in a manufacturing facility when I was 18 to 22. Used to make about 30 million pop-top lids a day for the corporation that I worked for. I didn't personally make that many lids, but the company made that many per day. Ran around the clock. It's pretty cool. But anyway, gonna get the truck trailer hooked up and then get our happy selves out to the racetrack, where I'm gonna tell you guys what we need your help with probably as soon as we get there and get the cars unloaded. LS Fest, here we come! I guess one nice thing about getting here early is there's not a lot of people here. So that's kind of cool. Maybe we can actually get a good spot this year instead of being way out in the boonies. Hopefully, if you guys are close by, you're coming this weekend. And even if you're not close by, get in the truck and get here. Come hang out with us. All right, I gotta figure out where I'm going. All right, well, we're in the big parking lot to get in, and see that Suburban back there? That's the rest of the crew. Will, Kimber, and CJ left this morning out of Florida, and we all got here to the track like minutes from each other. Like we were sitting at a stoplight and they came driving by in front of us. It's kind of cool. Anyways, let's get into the track and see what we can do to get ourselves set up. All right, well, we have made it to our spot right behind the bleachers. Loving it. I'm usually not someone that gets to events early, but this is awesome. Well, we've pretty much gotten everything set up here. It's gonna be our spot. The cars aren't really where they're gonna end up. This one's gonna be in the Holley booth from time to time, but we are right behind the main bleacher area, which is awesome. And the thing we need your help with is the old red car needs a name. KSR Burnout car just doesn't work. The red car, no, that doesn't work. I'm terrible at naming cars. So, let's see if you guys can help me do it. Think of something cool, put it in the comments, and let's get this thing named so it doesn't have a boring thing we call it anymore. But I'm gonna head over and get a driver's armband right now, and then we'll see what else we can get into today. To check in old soccer mom. Hopefully she survives the weekend. Completely untested. So that's gonna be interesting. We don't have the first pass on it with this combination technically. Just some dyno hits. Probably just gonna put a pretty soft ramp in it and see what happens. And then put some extra power on the scramble button. If it goes down, I can add some scramble to it, maybe in high gear just to get some more data. And then we'll come back to tuning after that. It's warm. Really pretty second gen Camaro over there. Have to go check that out here in a little bit. I'm gonna get out because it's hot. Alrighty, well we are all teched in. Stock Block the World. It's our class for this weekend. Oh, soccer mom looking good out in the sun. That one's prettier?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. It's red, so it must be fast.
Yes, very fast.
Makes lots of tire smoke.
Yes.
Hopefully that's the only smoke we make. Yeah, we want the rods to stay in it. That would be a good thing. So this one also got teched for drag racing. So maybe we make a pass in the old Lexus Burnout car, which we need a name for. Just a reminder, if you didn't see it earlier in the video, we need a name for the Burnout car. Maybe it will stay to be in this same car, but at some point, maybe we have to hang some quarters on this thing or something.
That's fine.
I mean, as the Burnout stuff gets better, they want us to hit the walls less. I mean, I did hit the walls a few times. I mean, I crashed it at Daytona first.
Twice.
Twice? What? Yeah. Yeah, that happened. Actually, the funny thing is, the first wreck I ran into the back of Mike Skinner during the Champ Car Daytona race. Gosh, when was that? 19? 20?
It was a while ago.
Yeah, it was a while back. So actually, he was in a third-gen Camaro, and I ran up under the back of him in a crowd of cars. I peeked out, and he was stopped, and there was no way I was missing him. And that shoved the windshield, or that shoved the hood back into the windshield, broke the windshield. And then it started raining later in the race, and I spun off into the tire wall in the rain. And we were doing good at that race too until I crashed. I don't crash very much.
That's the same thing you said before Daytona.
Yeah, I love racing in the rain.
I don't crash.
And I don't crash very much. Well, lately, that hasn't been the thing, has it? You promised last weekend was just a... Yeah, that shouldn't have happened last weekend. You guys know that. Just got too aggressive and made a mistake. But I think that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video. We're going to go get us some dinner. You guys have been up since 2 o'clock in the morning.
Well, you know, I slept on the way here.
I don't think Will and Kimmer did.
No.
So y'all come by tomorrow at LS Fest, or today, because this is coming out on Friday. Come get some stuff. Got some Sucker Mom shirts, our Fast and Free shirt. Of course, everything needs a turbo now in 2 colors. Our Soccer Mom posters. We're gonna have to do a new one of these shirts now that we've got a red car instead of a white car. And then we also have some V-neck shirts for the ladies. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Always gotta test your 2-step. Actually, we don't have that many attempts on testing the 2-step, and I figure we would check it here at this place because the elevation's all different than back at home. So we're all packed up, ready to go get some dinner. See you guys tomorrow.